Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel, and today I have another idea for home and decor that is about walnut and pistachio shells crafts. In the world of DIY crafts, creative individuals have continuously explored unique and eco-friendly material to enhance home decor. One such intriguing medium is the utilization of walnut and pistachio shells. These discarded shells, once considered as waste, can be transformed into beautiful and innovative decorative pieces that add a touch of natural elegance to any living space. So, this video delves into the artistry of walnut and pistachio shell crafts and highlight their potential. Walnuts, widely appreciated for their nutritional value, offer more than just a tasty snack. The shells of walnuts possesses a distinctive rustic appeal that can be harnessed for crafting purposes. From wall hangings to candle holders and miniature sculptures, walnut shell crafts offer a range of possibility. One of the simplest yet eye-catching creation is a walnut shell vase. By carefully removing the inner nut and filling the shell with water, it can be transformed into a unique and natural vase. Walnut shell animals are also popular crafts that can be incorporated into home decor. By using acrylic paints or markers, the shell can be transformed into adorable critters like owls, turtles, or ladybugs. These miniatures can be displayed on shelves or incorporated into theme wall art. Pistachio shell crafts a blend of elegance and versatility. Pistachio shells, with their pale green hues and delicate shapes, offer a unique charm that adds a subtle elegance to home decor. Their versatility enables crafters to explore various techniques and create distinctive pieces. One fascinating crafts idea is a pistachio shell mosaic. By arranging the shells in a pattern on a surface, such as picture frame or mirror frame or jewelry box, and securing them with adhesive, stunning mosaic artwork can be created. Another intriguing use for pistachio shells is creating decorative bowls. By layering the shells in a concentric circles using a strong adhesive. Artisans can form unique textured bowl. Walnut pistachio shells crafts offer more than just aesthetics value. By repurposing discarded shells, these crafts contribute to reducing waste and embarrassing sustainable practices. Engaging in such DIY projects not only enhances the beauty of one's living space but also promotes environmental consciousness. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the information in it. If you like our videos, subscribe us and hit the like.